So depending, this one will probably have 20 flakes missing, but I'm putting the sticker stack with your items just so that I have it all together. There are 4 letter sets in here, and I'll be including 4 more, so you get 8 total. So just message me if everything looks good. Thanks.